Hi friends, my name is Dhanush Priya. Today I am going to give PPT presentation on the subject called traffic engineering, and the subject code is 21CB652 and my version is 1V21CS042. So let's start. So my topic is Introduction to Modal Integration on Traffic Conditions in India. So modal integration means it is the process of coordinating various modes of transportation such as public transit, private vehicles, bicycles, and pedestrians to create seamless and efficient transportation network. So this approach aims to improve overall mobility, reduce congestion, and promote sustainable development in the urban areas. So modes of transportation in India. So India's transport landscape is a diverse tapestry, encompassing a wide range of modes of cater to the needs of its vast population. From the iconic ambassador cars to the ubiquitous auto rickshaws to the expensive rail train and rapidly growing aviation industry. The country's transportation ecosystem is a complex and evolving system. So public transportation, including urban buses, metro rails, suburban trains, plays a crucial role in facilitating the movement of people, particularly in the bustling metropolitan areas. The country's road network, spanning highways, expressways, and rural routes, serves as the backbone for both passengers and freight transport. So, challenges in the current transportation system. So, India's transport system faces significant challenges that hinder its efficiency, sustainability. So, congestion on roads and major hubs leads to long commute times, pollution, and economic losses. Lack of integration between different modes of transport such as buses, trains, metro creates gaps in accessibility and convenience for the commuters. Inadequate infrastructure, especially in the urban areas, struggles to keep up with the growing population and increasing demand for the mobility. Additionally, safety concerns and prevalence of the informal transportation options pose risks to the passengers. Inconsistent regulations and limited coordination between various agencies responsible for the transportation planning, management, component. So these challenges are addressing these issues in crucial to enhancing the overall efficiency and sustainability in the India's transportation system. So let's see the benefits of the model integration. So first benefit is the improved commuting. So improved commuting means modal integration enables seamless transitions between different modes of transport, reducing travel time and inconvenience for the commuters. So it provides more option and flexibility, improving overall commuting efficiency. The second benefit is the environmental benefit. So environmental benefit means by encouraging the use of public transportation, walking and cycling, modal integration helps reduce fuel consumption and greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to a more sustainable transportation system. The third benefit is the increased accessibility. So the increased accessibility is the modal integration ensures that transportation services are accessible to a wide range of users, including elderly, disabled persons, and those without access to the private vehicles, improving overall mobility and social inclusion. So strategies for the effective model integration. So first one strategy is the coordination and the planning. So effective coordination between the different transportation agencies and models is crucial for seamless model integration. Comprehensive planning that considers the needs of all stakeholders and aligns infrastructure, schedules, and policies is essential for successful implementation. The second strategy is the integrated ticketing and payment. So implementing a unified ticketing and payment system that allows user to seamlessly transition between modes can greatly improve the convenience and accessibility of the transportation network. So this can involve smart cards, mobile apps, or other innovative solutions. Multimodal hubs and stations. So developing well-designed multimodal hubs and stations that facilitate smooth connection between different modes such as buses, trains, ride-sharing services can service enhance the overall user experience to encourage the use of integrated transportation options. So case studies of successful model integration projects. So to illustrate the benefits of the model integration, it's helpful to examine the real-world examples of successful implementation. One notable case study is the integrated transportation system in Singapore, where a comprehensive network of buses, trains, and taxis seamlessly connect through city-state by offering convenient intermodal transfers and unified ticketing. So Singapore has encouraged a shift away from private vehicle use, resulting in reduced congestion and improved air quality. So another successful model integration project can be found in Stockholm, Sweden, where the city has invested heavily in the bike share programs, pedestrian-friendly infrastructure, and multimodal transit hubs. So this holistic approach has led to a significant increase in sustainable mode share and corresponding drop in the traffic-related emissions. So these case studies demonstrate that this strategic planning, robust procedures, partnership, and commitment to shifting travel behaviors, cities, and challenges of model fragmentation and realize the full benefits of a transportation network. So barriers to model integration implementation. So first barrier is the lack of coordination. So effective model integration requires coordination among various transportation agencies, service and providers and government entities. The second one is funding challenges. Funding challenges means implementing model integration initiatives of often requires significant upfront investment, infrastructure, technology, and operational charges. The third one is regulatory hurdles. Regulatory hurdles means existing laws and regulations may not adequately address the requirement of the model integration. The fourth one is public adoption. Public adoption means successful model integration relies on public acceptance and adoption. So changing people's travel behavior and convincing them to use interconnected transport service. Next, the role of government and policymakers. So governments and policymakers play a critical role in driving the integration of various transportation modes in India. So they have the authority to establish the necessary legal and regulatory frameworks to develop comprehensive transportation policies. So and allocate funding to support implementation of the model integration initiatives. So effective coordination and the collaborative between the different government agencies such as Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, the Ministry of Railways and the Ministry of Urban Development is essential for ensuring the cohesive and interactive transportation system. So this is the impact of the model integration traffic of the condition. So effective model integration has led to significant improvements in India's transportation system. So data shows that the metro rail, bus, rapid uh, transit and multi-dimensional hubs have contributed increases in passengers kilometers traveled and reductions in travel times. So these enhancements have helped elevate traffic congestion and improve overall mobility for commuters. So let's see the conclusion and the future outlook. So as we have explored the significant benefits of the model integration in the India's transportation system, so it is clear that this approach holds immense potential for improving traffic conditions and enhancing the overall mobility. So looking ahead, the successful and implementation of model integration strategies will depend on the continued collaboration between government, industries, and community stakeholders. So thank you for seeing my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, friends.